Welcome back to our, I'm hoping, 10th C# tutorial. I really should check this stuff before I start the videos, but I don't know. I just keep on forgetting. So what we're going to do in this video is we're going to talk about the assignment operator. Now, this is a very simple one. We've used it a few times. Some of you might know what it is already, others might not. Others, especially those of you doing high school maths and never really done programming before, will think that I'm a bit crazy for saying it. But the assignment operator is an equals symbol, just any equal symbol that we've used so far. And as you can see, we've got int a equals 32. Now I want to also create another variable, double. The variable is going to be b. Now here, what do I need? If we hover over here, it says b is declared but never used. Now even if I close this, which I can, but it doesn't actually have any value at the moment, I can now, firstly I'm going to create a bit of text. I'm going to use our little placeholders again, just to make sure that we remember how to use them. A equals 0, b equals 1, and a b. Now I'm going to just start this program. It's picked up some errors. Now what it's saying is that we're using b here, but we've actually haven't assigned any local variable to it. Now what we can do this in a number of ways. We can do b as the one above equals, in this case 13.2. That will solve the problem, and we can start without debugging, and we get the answer. But another way that we can do this is, a lot of the time in programs we'll declare our variable at the start, but we won't actually know what it is at this point. Sometimes we might want user input somewhere, say 10 lines down, and then we'll need to call up this value b. But what we're going to do, because we're just going to be very simple here, b equals 13.2. Now, even though we haven't assigned it when we first created it, we've assigned it since then. And again, we've used the assignment operator, which is essentially what this whole video is about, the assignment operator and how we can actually use it. Now, I've spoken about this a bit before as well, but we don't get to only assign values once. We can assign them many times because they can change at any time, really. And we can reassign b as equal to 2. And again, remember, doubles can be integers. It's just integers cannot be doubles. But we can use this assignment operators pretty much any point now. And here's a little trick that we can also do. We can say, we'll take away all this stuff, and we'll put b2 plus a. Now this will cover over in the next few tutorials, because we'll be going through the different operators that we can use in maths and all. Now, as you can see, through the first one, we've got a is 32, b is 13, and a is 32, and b is 34. Now, I probably should have changed this to something a little bit different, like 12, so we'll run this through so we can see exactly what's happening, and that we can see that it has actually changed values after we pass the first right line. we change the value of A and we change the value of B, as you can see. Now, that's all we're going to cover in this video. I just wanted to show you what the assignment operator is and actually dedicate some time to it. I know we've used it a few times before, but we haven't actually addressed it. And just remember that with the assignment value, the object on the left is assigned the value on the right side of the equals. Now, it might be a bit complicated and for some. If that's the case, remember to send me a message or leave a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.